name is Amer. I am working as an assistant professor in LIET Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about Python programming special package called Pandas. Actually we are having two packages, Pandas and NumPy, but in today's session I am going to discuss few important things about Pandas. So let's start. So Panda used for basically data wrangling and data manipulation. Now you might have heard that data analysis, data sciences and data engineering. So Pandas is very special library which is used to provide data wrangling and data manipulation, data cleaning kind of purposes. So and data visualization also we can do by using Pandas. So basically Pandas provides very important structures called data frames and series. Okay, so basically Python, as we know that Python is a very good programming language. Nowadays we are using Python programming language in every module, like be it a web development or be it a data sciences. Okay, so now but today especially I am going to tell you about Pandas package is very much important for data analysis. So let's start. Pandas is having what we can say, there are two basic structures of Pandas. First one is data frames, another one is the series. So series, what is series, what is series, what is data frames, how we can create the data frames, how we can create the series, we will see. So a series, what is series? Series is nothing but it is similar like a list. It is similar like a list, but it is different with it is having key and value kind of structure. So many times students get confused that Panda series is like a dictionary, but it is not. Dictionaries are different and series is different. So the Panda series can be created by using this new series, and we are having what? pd.series method. So but before that we should import Pandas library. How to import Pandas library? We can import Pandas library in our particular program or source code by using import keyword, and after that we have to use the Pandas word, and to use the alias or like simple name, we will import under the name as pd. We will import Pandas as under pd. So this is the particular statement we are going to use, import Pandas as pd. Why we are using this is nothing but we are importing. We are planning to use the series method in this particular code. That's why I am using this particular statement. So how we are going to do that here is nothing but, so import Pandas, and one important thing, whenever we are using this particular thing, so what we are having here, we are using new series is the object here, and whatever series we are creating, it automatically stored in this particular new series. It will be stored in particularly new series, and we are printing. After this we are printing the new series. Every series will be having data type. So here it is mentioned in 64. Okay, so this will be the data type of series. If an index is not explicitly provided by the user, Panda will create a range index. So Panda will be creating a range index, and its standard from will be 0 to n-1. Exclusively we can give indexes, but if we are not providing indexes, then it will be having what? Indexes, default index we can say, that is 0 to n-1. Indexes sometimes referred as label also. So this is the series. Next we will create series by using indexes. We will be giving indexes, but before that I want to tell you that we can provide many different, what we can say, we can create our series and we can do some manipulations also. And in this particular slide I want to tell you that how you can access the individual element of series. How we can do that? By using array index, by using index. By using index is similar to like we have used in array. Basically under the Python interpreter we will be using pure C only. So index, like we use array index, like we use list index. Likewise here in series we are having indexes. Indexes always starts from 0 and ends at n minus 1. So in this particular source code I want to show you how we are going to print the particular value, right? So here I want to print the nine value by using array index. So let's see, 0 is the first index, 1 2 3 4 5. So I have to give new series of 4 so that we can access new series of 4. This will give you the value of 9. So here is the result. So this is the print statement. This is the print statement. Print new series of 4. So as soon as we are doing this, we are getting output as 9. This is the actual output. This is the provisional output. Like these are the values actually. But what I want to show in this particular slide is nothing but this is the code. So individual values also we can access. Series individual values also we can access. Okay, we have seen how series index will be there. By default series index will be from 0 to n minus 1, but here in this particular slide I want to explain how we will be giving index manually. So here is the index we are giving manually. So we are creating the series. In previous slide we have seen that we are creating a series and we are storing it into a new series object. Now I want to give my own indexes. Like I want to give index, first element should be accessed by using A index, second B, third C, likewise so and so forth indexes I want to give. So how I can give here is nothing but, especially I have to use the index keyword I have to use after giving the comma. This comma is very important. If you are keeping this comma, then only we can give some extra parameters here, extra attributes. So here index equal to, and I am giving some indexes. So now I want to access this n value. In previous slide, if I want to access n value, then what I have written, new underscore series of 4 I have written. But now I have to write new series of f. Why? Because the particular index which is matching here is nothing but f. Okay, so that's why I want to access 10 now. That's why I'm giving f. If I want to access this ninth one, then I have to use new series of e. Okay, so this is the way we are going to access. As soon as we did this, what will happen? The last element will be displayed over the screen. So this is the way we can give the index manually. Again, I want to summarize this. So first, series and data frames are the basic structure of Pandas library. Series can be created by using series method, and series, if indexes are not provided, then by default indexes will be ranging from 0 to n minus 1, but we can give our own indexes by using index. Okay, by using index word, and we can assign our own indexes. So this is the way. Now we will look for the many different mathematical operations. Are we able to? Now question is, are we able to give the perform the mathematical operations or not? So yes, definitely we can perform the mathematical operation, and filtering operations also we can perform. So in this particular example, I want to show you how we are giving the array index. We are creating a series and we are assigning the indexes, as well as we are doing what we are printing the elements which are greater than 0. We are creating the new series. If you see, first we are importing the pandas, then we are creating the series. Now this series we are checking whether the value is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then we are assigning it into new series. Okay, new series 2, then we are printing the new series object. Now you can check here. So these are the indexes. The very first column will be index, and the next column will be your values, whatever values you have stored. So this is the way. And as I mentioned in the earlier slide, that is series data type will be integer. Okay, So this is the data frame is another structure of Pandas library. By using data frame, we can have like rows and columns, tabular format data. Tabular format data can be created by using data frames, and we can create data frame by using two or more methods. First one is creating data frame by using dictionary, and second one is creating data frame by using series. Okay, so as soon as we will create the data frames, so what will happen, series of objects will be created, series of object will be created, and all these will be right, will be stored in, all columns will be stored as a series, and these particular elements are nothing but elements of series. These particular elements can be considered as elements of series. Rows consist of elements inside the series, and column will be a series. Column itself is a series. Next, how to create the data frame by using dictionary. So first and foremost thing, like how we created the series by using series method, here we have to use data frame method to create the data frames, and in that particular data frame we can provide the dictionary, any dictionary if you have created already. But if you have not created the dictionary, then we can create dictionary in the method itself, and it will be converted into data frame. In very first line we are importing the pandas, and in the next line we are creating a data frame. And in data frame what we are doing, we are passing a dictionary. We are creating a dictionary. So country is the key, and these are the values of countries. Key and value format. As you know that dictionary is nothing but key and value format. So here population is the key, and here we are having the values respective to this particular key, and square, and these are the values we are having, key and value format. So all these will be converted into dictionary, all will be converted into data frame by using dictionary. So here data frame is stored in df variable. So now we are printing data frame, so by using print df. So as soon as we did this, what will happen, the result is in front of you. This tabular format is created, and all these will be considered as series, country series, population series, and square series. Okay, so now, and each row will be having elements of series, so this is the way we can create a data frame by using dictionary. So now Panda is having many different methods. Okay, by using series also we can create a data frame, and we can, as in the intro part I have told you that we can do the data visualization by using pandas. That we will see in the next video. But what are the possible things we can do by using possible data visualization we can do by using pandas is nothing but we can create a histogram. We can create scattered plots also. And though so many different kinds of bar charts, different types of plots we can create by using pandas, but it is limited. There are so many other Python libraries are also there, like matplotlib, seaborn, etc. They are also providing some different methods which will be useful in more appealing data visualization, but some data visualization we can do by using pandas also. Students, in this particular video we have seen a very brief introduction about Pandas library. Under Pandas library we have seen data frames and series, how we will create the data frames, how we will be creating series, and many more things we will do in next session. To keep watching this particular video or this kind of videos, please do subscribe Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology channel, like it, subscribe it, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.